Okay, today I'm making a super quick and easy but very delicious vegetable gnocchi. I got the recipe from my cousin. Shout out to Amy. Thanks, Amy, for this yummy recipe. I make it all the time. And I think she got it out of a magazine somewhere. But we're going to use some mushrooms. And I actually don't have the right amount of ingredients for the recipe. I'm just using up what I have. It's like a close enough situation. So it calls for a half an onion. I'm just going to use a whole one to help make up for the fact that I don't have enough spinach or mushrooms. But spinach, mushrooms, onion, diced tomatoes, and we're going to use the tomatoes with the juice. Some Italian seasoning mix, the gnocchi, salt, garlic, olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese. And I'm sure it would be better with fresh grated Parmesan or the shredded Parmesan, like from the cheese section, but that's all that I have. So let's get started. Okay, so this has been sauteing for about 5 minutes and it's almost done, so I'm now going to add about a tablespoon of garlic and let it keep going for another couple minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add our can of diced tomatoes with the juice. As well as a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to just combine that. And then we're going to add our spinach. And gently stir that in. And just let that continue to cook until the spinach is wilted. Okay, so that is looking good. Now the last step is to add our gnocchi. It's a very easy recipe. And now we're just gonna let that cook for 4 or 5 minutes. And then we will add the Parmesan at the end, right before we serve it. Okay, so I just had a camera mishap, and the whole time I was standing here talking and adding my Parmesan cheese, thinking it was recording, It was not recording. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's all done. About to go give this a taste test. Even though I've had it before, we'll pretend like I'm tasting it for the first time.
Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. Amen.
Amen. Nice, Ed. It seems like it's very hot. Mm-hmm. Tasty. It's so easy. I think it's pretty cheap too. I mean, I've never calculated the cost, but it's a good one. You gotta try this, guys. Until next time.